Oh, hi, I'm cooking again. I got a whole new series I'm thinking about right now. There's all kinds of weird Chicago specific sandwiches that are bizarre and tasty and yummy and like so good to eat. So what I'm doing is I'm starting to make those things. So the first one today is called a gyro grilled cheese. It's like you make a gyro and you make a grilled cheese, put it together, just smash. So first thing I'm doing right now, I'm making the meat, and the meat's done now. So here we go. I'll put the meat right over here for a second. Woo, it's good stuff. Put my bread on there. Now I'll explain what's gonna happen to you guys. Made the gyro meat, and I got some tomatoes and some other stuff going on in there. I'm gonna add mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna add feta cheese, and I'm gonna add some tzatziki sauce because it's not really a gyro if you don't have that. So here it comes. Next up is the bread. All right, here's my bread. Let me take my tzatziki sauce. Boom, right down there. Tzatziki-licious. That's what you call that. Now I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese, put it on right there. Gotta love the mozzarella cheese, it's so tasty. Putting that right there. Now I can take some feta cheese. Whoa, feta cheese. Putting that on because it's Greek, you know, you gotta have feta cheese to make it Greek. Putting a bunch of fetas on there. Cheese, remember, there's 4 things you can never have too much of. Cheese, butter, chocolate, and bacon. You can never have too much of any one of those ingredients. Now I'm gonna take some of this stuff. This is my meat and veggies concoctions right here. Putting that on right there. Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. Now, I'm gonna cut for a second. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here. And I'm gonna put this back on the fire to make it into like a grilled cheese. And now I'll be right back. Okay, it's been a little bit. Now we're ready to go to stage 2. Woo! I'm super excited to eat this thing right here. So I put it on the back on the skillet, same skillet I made everything else in. And as usual, I didn't clean it in between because when you clean in between, you lose those magic flavors you get when you cook. I did add a little butter though to get the bread extra yummy. All right. Oh man, look at this. Oh, this is gonna be a flavor sensation. Oh, I'm very excited. So you got the tzatziki sauce, you got the gyro meat, you have some veggies, you have feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and yummy bread and butter. Mmm, my God. That is a flavor sensation that's out of this world. If you eat this sandwich, you may have a heart attack, so be careful. It's so good, it could give you a heart attack. Be careful. See you next week.